When we asked crafters what their most frequently needed card was, the answer was always thank you cards. As a card maker myself, I understand the value of having a nice handy thank you card ready in my stash. There's always an occasion to use a thank you card, whether it's creating one for your child's teacher or mentor, or a family member who's been there for you during hard times, or for a friend who's been a light in your life. Today I have gathered some of my personal favourite thank you cards, created by our very own design team members. Let's take a look together at some of the brilliant crafting techniques that you can use on your next batch of thank you cards. Number 1. How to avoid the black ink from smearing. In this video, the lovely Erum shows us how you can create no line colouring with alcohol markers. The beautiful Thank You for All You Do stamp sentiment is from the Sweet Flowers stamp set. Number 2. Card making tutorial, 1 layer stamping and artist marker colouring. In this video she shares some really cool markers colouring techniques. The beautiful thanks die cut sentiment she uses on this card is from the Script Words 2 die set. Number 3. Be bold and add drama to your cards. In this video we join the amazing Jenny as she creates 2 bold and beautiful cards. She uses heat embossing, ink blending and lots of splatters to really wow any recipient. The very sweet thanks for simply being you sentiment is from the Paint a Flower fashion manga Dahlia. Number 4. Craft your life with 3 inspiring projects. In this video we join the amazing JC as he takes us through many different techniques to create beautiful cards. He uses monochrome and colour blocking effects to create these stunning cards. The sentiment, Thank You for All You Do, which was stamped onto a die cut label, is from the Wild Flora stamp set. Number 5. Simple floral cards, 2 ways. In this video we join the lovely THERESE. She stamps the solid images and adds shading with watercolour brush markers to add tons of detail and interest to solid stamps. The beautiful sentiment Thankful for You Every Day is from the Flower Vine stamp set. Number 6. Try these techniques with double-sided adhesive sheets. In this video we join the lovely Jenny again. Jenny shares how we can use our double-sided adhesive sheets in various different ways. She also uses a number of different sentiments. You are awesome, you inspire me, and thanks a bunch. All from the Label Love stamp set, which could all be used for thank you card sentiments. Number 7. Seasonal Blooms watercolour card. Again we join Erum while she does her beautiful watercolouring. Erum shows how watercolouring can be super simple and also creates a beautiful thank you card. Thanks sentiment, which is stamped directly onto the card front, is from Craft Your Life Project Kit Seasonal Blooms. Number 8. Transform vibrant alcohol inks into boho backgrounds. In this video we join the amazingly talented Amber Rain Davis. Amber shows us various different techniques in this video, from using a jelly paint with stencils, watercolour refills and embossing paste. She uses a number of different sentiments on these beautiful mixed media projects. Thanks for being my friend die set, signature word die set, and mega label love stamp set. Number 9. Easy Watercoloring Pencils tutorial. Join the amazingly talented Therese as she shows us how easy watercolour pencils can be. Therese works with the watercolour woodless pencils to create these soft effects on florals. She uses a mix of dies and stamping for her sentiments, both from the Celebrate Us Stamp and Die bundle. Number 10. Easy watercolour and alcohol ink backgrounds. We join the amazing Amber again in this video. Amber shows us in this video how quick and easy it can be to create really stunning and beautiful backgrounds. The thanks itself is from Signature Word die set, and Adore You stamp set was used for the sentiment too. Number 11. Easy Freehand Botanical Watercolour Tutorial for Beginners. In this video we join the amazing Amber again as she shows us how quick and easy it can be to create our own beautiful freehand watercolour. The sentiments she used in this card are from the Bold Thanks die set and the Pay to Flower Poppy Outline stamp set. Number 12. Christmas Ponsettia Handmade Thank You Cards tutorial. Thank you cards are given throughout all of the seasons, and the lovely Therese shows us how we can send one at the holiday season too. In this video she shows us how easy watercolouring can be, and she uses a mix of dies and stamps for her sentiment too. Mega Thanks die was used for the large thanks sentiment, and the additional ones come from the beautiful neighbourhood stamp set. Number 13. Quick and beautiful floral card making tutorial using Alter New Circled Greetings Thanks die. In this video we join the amazing Lilith as she shows us that we can create thank you cards with just dies. You don't necessarily need to ink or stamp your projects to create a really beautiful thank you card. She uses pattern paper to create a really quick and easy one that you can give straight away. Circled Greeting Thanks die was used in this project. Number 14. Alcohol marker colouring tutorial with Alter New Bold Floral Drape stamp set. Join me, LYDIA, as I show you a different marker technique for really bold backgrounds. For the sentiment, framed thanks die set was used to create this really beautiful thanks frame. And that's all I have for you today. Please let us know your favourite thank you card and which one you want to create in your craft room today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again really soon. Bye bye. Hello there, did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Alter New YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.